I had ordered some new tweeters for the truck. So when I finally do build my final door pods and stuff like that, I have everything. So this just came in the mail today. This a new tweeter. I got two of them. I got the first one like Friday, and well I think Saturday, and I got this one today. Well, just now. As y'all can see, I'm a big fan of Cadence now. Ever since I got them mid-bass speakers in the door, things sound good. Alright, here go they tweeters. They call it compression horn tweeter. This thing so big, bro, and it's heavy too. It got some weight to it. See how big this thing is? I can't wait to hook them up. So that means when I build my door pod this time, my speaker pod this time, it's gonna have to be big. My ears hurt. Alright, y'all. See y'all later.